buckles for the position, and you can see the clips on the side. Remove it, and easy to wear. Okay, have removed the cup. Same like same system like what life jacket we have. Put on the side. Whistle. We have the whistle on the side. Look on your whistle. If you are missing whistle, let me know. Yep. On the other side, we have the safety line. Okay. If someone wants to grab you, we have to grab on this line on the side. So, if, wearing of life jacket, the new life jacket that I supply to us from Vikings is that simple and looks very comfortable. So if you're happy for that, say yes.
Yes.
And we will start with the life wrap. Yes. Okay, boss, can you lift up a little bit, please? Okay. Change the life jacket there. Pag-inista yung light niya. Inista mo pa ito. Ang pangalan niya, sir? Sergi Bell? Si Sergi, ano?
Sudi.
Judy?
Sudi.
Okay guys, we have 4 life wraps on board. 2 on port side and 2 on starboard side only to deck, which is on the aft of the ships. Our life raft is consists of 25-person capacity or throw overboard. So make sure you're familiar how to launch your life raft. There's 2 ways of launching the life raft: David launch and throw overboard. Okay, so there's an instruction on the shell. You cannot be loose on that instruction. So let's see that the life raft already hung on the davit and loaded with 25 passengers on board. So before that hook release will release, this bottom of the life raft should touch the water. So 1 meter above the water. Let's see, I'm not so familiar. Okay, this one. So we have to pull this. Pull. Okay. So that lock is released now. So it's still safe, even though we're hanging on the 5 meters of height. The life raft will not release until the life raft bottom will reach the water. So bosun, please lower the life raft and look for that. So see, that's simple. So the life raft hook will release when the water touches the bottom of the life raft. So that's easy. So don't worry or don't be afraid if your leader above 1 meter, 2 meters above the water. That depends upon the swell of the water of the sea. This is the first one is going to do. The leader should pull this so that it will be released as the water reaches the bottom of the life raft. So okay, I hope that we will not use all life-saving apparatus. What I mean, I hope everything is going to be safe. We will not use this one for the rest of our contract. So this demonstration just to familiarize us on our trainings. We have a life raft BSCRB. So not only this, on your life boats, on your safety cards, please familiarize all your trainings. Okay. So now we always said, please prepare for fourth state. Okay, fourth state, and also in emergency. Emergency, it can exist anytime. There's no time praying for the emergency. Maybe after this or next day or tomorrow, emergency. The important thing is you're aware, you're prepared, you know what you're going to do during emergency. So if everybody's happy, wearing their life jacket, everything's okay. Someone missing? Everybody has a new life jacket. Everybody is comfortable with new life jacket.
Yes.
Okay, if everything's okay. Chief, anything? Okay, boss, anything? Okay. Okay, that's the end of the drill. Thank you very much, guys.
Safety certificate.